Morning children. So welcome back to the annual session of a mathematics class. So we know that we will be discussing about the lesson simple equations. Simple equations. So in the simple equations we will be discussing on the equations and verifying that the given value is a solution of the equation or not. So in the last session I have discussed about I had given the definition for variables, then expressions, then equation, then how to find out the given value is a solution of the equation or not, and what do you mean by solution? Okay, solution in the sense for that value in that equation, LHS must be equal to RHS. If you substitute that value in that equation, LHS must be equal to RHS. Then only that given value is called as a solution, or otherwise it is not a solution. Okay. So, and one more thing, for only one value of that variable, the LHS will becomes RHS. Apart from that, any other value, the LHS is not equal to RHS. That means we have only one solution for that one equation. For one equation, we will be having only one solution. You can't say that for one equation, sir, I have no solutions. So that means it is wrong. Say suppose if I say that x plus 7 is equal to otherwise x plus 2 is equal to 7. So assume that this is the equation. This is the equation. Let me keep it as a 3. Okay, x plus 2 is equal to 3. This is the equation. Okay, for what value of x this LHS will become RHS? That means what is the solution of this equation? Okay, if I go with trial and error method results, let x is equal to 1. Right? Substitute x is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to the RHS I'm having 3. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, which is equal to 3. So 3 is equal to 3. That means LHS is equal to RHS. For x is equal to 1, I am getting LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, the given x is equal to 1 is a solution. X is equal to 1 is a solution. Since it is LHS is equal to RHS, I am getting LHS is equal to 1 solution. If it is LHS is not equal to RHS, then I can say that this is not a solution. Correct? Okay. Apart from this value, can you tell me any other value for the same equation? Right? If you substitute that value, LHS is equal to RHS. Can you able to tell me? No, you can't able to say any other value for this equation apart from x is equal to 1. For this particular equation, x is equal to 1 is the only solution. X is equal to 1 is the only solution for this equation. So that will be there in your upcoming classes. So this is about exactly one solution. Okay. Now, in the earlier class, we were discussing about exercise 4.2, right? It's 4.1, the first exercise. I had given some of the homework also. Exercise 4.1, hope you have done that. So, exercise 4.1. 4.1. So, second one, checking whether the given value in the bracket is a solution of the equation or not. So, in that I have done that up to third question. So, I will go for fourth one now. Second one, D. So, the equation is 4p minus 3. 4p minus 3 is equal to 13. Value they have given in the bracket is p is equal to 1. P is equal to 1. Now, I need to check it out. The value given in the bracket is a solution of this equation or not? Is a solution of this equation or not? P is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 4p minus 3 is equal to 13 or not? So, how to check it out? Just substitute the p value in the given equation. For that particular value, if you are getting LHS is equal to RHS, then the value is called as the solution, or solution, right? Here the value, p value is 1. So let me substitute that p value in the given equation, right? And we will check whether LHS is equal to RHS or not. Okay. So let us put p is equal to 1 in the LHS. So we are going to substitute p is equal to 1 in the LHS. So what is LHS? 4p minus 3. Let me substitute 4. I'm sorry, 4. P is 1 minus 3. So 4 into 1. 4p in the sense it is 4 into p. 4 into 1. 4 into 1 is 4 into 3 minus 3. 4 minus 3. This is plus and minus. If you subtract 3 from 4, it will become 1. So higher value between 3 and 4 is 4. Before that, I'm having a 4 positive sign. Therefore, here also is positive sign. So you can observe that whereas I'm having RHS is 13, here we are getting 1. So which is not equal to RHS because RHS is 13. So if it is p is equal to 1 is a solution, you could have get 13 here. But you are not getting 13 because RHS is 13. You could have get 13 here. So you are not getting 13, you are getting 1. That means LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. This implies that what? P is equal to 1 is not a solution. Is not a solution of this particular equation. Okay. Now I will give you this E as a homework drill. Okay. So 4p minus 3. No. 4p minus 3 is equal to the same equation. 4p minus 3 is equal to 13, but the solution is different. I'm sorry, value is different. Value they have given that p is equal to minus 4. Okay. So now here we have checked p is equal to 1, which is not a solution. Now they have given p is equal to minus 4. Let me check it out. P is equal to minus 4 is a solution or not. So how to check it out? Substitute the p value in the LHS in the expression. So check it out whether that value is equal to RHS or not. Right? Put p is equal to minus 4 in LHS. What is LHS? LHS implies 4p minus 3. We'll substitute 4p is 4 into p. P value is minus 4 minus 3. This is 4p, 4 into p. That means 4 into minus 4. 4 into minus 4. This is not 4 minus 4. Don't write 0. 4 minus 4 becomes 0. No. Multiply 4 into p. 4 into p. 4p, this is 4 into p. 4 into p value is minus 4. 4 into minus 4. 4 into minus 4. You should read like this only. 4 into p, 4p. 4 into minus 4. 4 into minus 4 only. Then only that comes to your mind that you need to multiply that. Otherwise, you will think that 4 minus 4. If you think that 4 minus 4, then 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Right? So, which is not true. Before that, which operation you are going to do? You need to multiplication operation. Right? 4 into p, 4 into minus 4. I have substituted this p value. That's it. P value is negative here. So, plus into minus minus, those are 16. Minus 3 as it is. So, both are minus. What we need to do? If both are minus, I need to add that. If I add those two, it will become 19. The year value between 16 and 30 is 16. 16 before I am having a negative sign. Therefore, in the answer also, I am having a negative sign. Okay. So now you can observe that the simplification comes to minus 19, which is not equal to RHS. RHS is 13. RHS is 13. So which is not equal to RHS. So we have started with the LHS. We have arrived at minus 19, which is not equal to RHS. What is the conclusion? So LHS is not equal to RHS. Clear? So since LHS is not equal to RHS, P is equal to the given value is not a solution. Is not a solution. Okay. So we will go for P is equal to one more value they have given that P is equal to 0. P is equal to 0. We'll check it out. So we'll check it out that one also. P is equal to P is equal to 0 in LHS. LHS implies 4P minus 3. So 4, P value is 0, that is 4 into 0 minus 3. 4 into 0, 4 into P, 4 into 0 will become 0, 0 multiplied by everything is 0, minus 3. So 0 minus 3 is minus 3. So RHS is 30, we are getting minus 3 which is not equal to RHS. So we have struck with LHS which is not equal to RHS. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Right? So P is equal to 0 is also not a solution. It's not a solution. This is also not a solution. So all the given three values for the same equation is not a solution. We have alternative solution. Okay. So how to find out the solution I will tell you. Okay. In the next upcoming classes. Okay. So now we'll go for the second one. Third question. Solve the following equations. Solve the following equations. Solve the following equations by trial and error method. By trial and error method. So I have told you how to find out the solution for the equations. For which method you have find the solutions in earlier classes. In the sense you are going to find out by trial and error method only. Okay. So in class 6, that is in upcoming classes, we are going to introduce the exact method to find out the solutions of the equations, simple equations. But up to class 6, that means up to class 6 is in the class 6 only, because we have started the equations from class 6 only. So in the class 6, we are studying finding the solutions by using trial and error method only. What is trial and error method? So giving some x value and check it out. Again giving some x value, check it out. Okay, and keep on going like that. Take x value as 0, check it out. Take x value as 1, check it out. X value is 2, x value is 3. Keep on going that and we will check it out. LHS is equal to RHS or not. If LHS is equal to RHS, then it is solution. Otherwise, it is not a solution. Okay. So they are given the first question, which is 5t plus 2 is equal to 7. 5t plus 2 is equal to 7. Here we need to find the solutions by using trial and error method. Solve the following equations. In this sense, we should find out the equation. We should find out the solution. We should find out the solution. Okay. Let here p is the variable. Put p is equal to 1. P is equal to 1. Okay. Let p is equal to 1, or otherwise put p is equal to 1. Otherwise we take let p is equal to 1. Then again put p is equal to 1 in LHS. So which is LHS? 5p plus 2. This is LHS implies. Okay. So 5, p value is 1 plus 2. So 5 into 1 because 5 into p, 5 plus 2. So 5 plus 2 will become 7. You can observe that RHS is also 7. RHS is also 7. So 7 is equal to, which is equal to RHS. Which is equal to RHS. This implies that the LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Therefore, p is equal to 1 is the solution. So they didn't given the value. We have taken the value p is equal to 1. If p is equal to 1, we are not getting LHS is equal to RHS. Then we will go for the next value. P is equal to 2. There also we are not getting LHS is equal to RHS. We will go for next value 3, like that. But for this particular question, we are getting LHS is equal to RHS for p is equal to 1 only. So we are going to stop here. Okay, we are going to stop here because we are getting LHS is equal to RHS. We got the solution. Suppose assume that for p is equal to 1, this LHS is not equal to RHS. Then what we will do? According to trial and error method, we will go for the next value of p. P is equal to 1. Let p is equal to 2 next value. Again substitute that. find out L is equal to RHS. Again, if it is there also it is not equal, go for next P value. Like that, just keep on going. Okay. So we have done this trial and error method in our class 6. I will give you one more question that you need to do as a homework. 3m minus 14 is equal to 4. This is the homework for you. Again, the same type of method. Put m is equal to 1, check it out. LHS is equal to RHS or not. Put m is equal to 2, check it out. Put m is equal to 3, check it out. Where you are getting LHS is equal to RHS for the value of m, that value will be the solution. Okay. So do that. This is the homework for you. You need to do that. Okay. So the next fourth question is, write equations for the following statements. Write equations for the following statements. So this is how we have done that in our class 6. They will be given the statements. For that statement, you should write the equation. Say for example, first one I will be writing as sum of numbers. The sum of number x and 4 numbers. Sum of numbers x and 4 is 9. What is given that? Sum of numbers x and 4 is 9. This is they have given the statement. This statement you should write in equation form. You should write in equation form. Sum of numbers x and 4. Sum, this is addition. What are the numbers? X and 4 is 9. That's it. Sum of numbers x and 4 is 9. So this is the statement form, this is the equation form. Given statement form, we can convert it into equation. Again, the same equation we can convert it into a statement form. Okay, so that is explained again. Statement converted into equation form, equation converted into statement form. Sum of the numbers x and 4 is 9. Sum of the numbers x and 4 is 9. Very easy, right? I'll try second one. 2 subtracted from y is 2. 2 subtracted from y is 8. So here you should remember that when you subtract from the value, that has to you should write in the addition. You can write like x or here also, 4 here also. You can write x plus 4 or otherwise 4 plus x. Doesn't make any sense because it is an addition. X plus 4, 4 plus x, both are same. A plus b is equal to b plus a. Commutative law under addition. You know that, right? A plus b, which is equal to b plus a. That means 4 plus 5 is also same as 5 plus 4 because 4 plus 5 is also 9. 5 plus 4 is also 9. Okay. Therefore, in the place of x plus 4, I can write 4 plus x also. That doesn't make any changes. But say I can write for negative operation, that is subtraction. Can you able to say that a minus b is equal to b minus a? Not at all. A minus b is not equal to b minus a because commutative law is not applicable for the subtraction operation, right? So again I will take the same example. 4 minus 5, 5 minus 4. Okay. What is 4 minus 5? 1 plus operation, 1 plus, 1 negative, 1 positive, 1 negative. What we need to do? Subtract it, correct? If you subtract 4 from 5, 1. Between 4 and 5, which is the higher value? 5. 5 before which sign we have? Negative sign. Therefore, it should be negative. Answer is also negative because higher value sign. Whatever the operation, addition or subtraction, while doing that, which operation comes? The higher value sign. Higher value sign comes first. Okay. Here again 5 minus 4 subtraction because I am a reduce operation. If you subtract 4 from 5 it will become 1. Between 4 and 5, 5 is higher value. Before the 5 I am having a positive sign. So minus 1 is equal to plus 1. No, minus 1 is not equal to plus 1. Right? Minus 1 is different, plus 1 is different. Minus 1 will be lying in the negative x direction, plus 1 will be lying in the positive x direction. Both are is not equal, right? So therefore a minus b is not equal to b minus a. Therefore, while writing the subtraction you should be very careful. Right? In the addition you can write how is like x plus 4 is also same as 4 plus x. A plus b is equal to b plus a. Whereas while doing subtraction you should be very careful. 2 will be subtracted from y. 2 will be subtracted from y. 2 is subtracted from 4. How will you write? 2 is subtracted from 4. 2 will be subtracted from 4. So 2 should come first. Whichever you are going to subtract, that you should write second. From which value you are going to subtract, that you should write first. Okay? That you need to remember that. You need to read the question properly. 2 subtracted from y. So 2 will be subtracting from y. So 2 should write at last and y should write first. Okay? So that you need to remember that. So 2 is subtracted from y. 2 is subtracting from y is 8. 2 subtracting from y is 8. Okay? Okay. The third question is 10 times a is 70. 10 times a is 70. 10 times a is 70. 10 times a. 10 times, 2 times, twice, thrice, fourth time. When you say like this, you should multiply with that number. Whenever they will say that twice a number, thrice a number, twice in the sense 2, you should multiply with 2. Thrice a number, you should multiply with 3. Fourth a number, 4. Fifth, then it's very easy. 10 times, 5 times, they will say exactly 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times. Then whatever the number they will say that from that number you should multiply. If they are saying that twice a number, then you should multiply with 2. Thrice a number, you should multiply with 3. Here it is 10 times a is 70. 10 times, that means you should multiply with 10 times 10 into a is 70. 10 times a, 10 multiplied a. Nothing in the sense multiplication, keep it in your mind. So 10a in the sense 10 into a. By default it is 10 into a. If it is 10 plus a, I will write 10 plus a, right? If it is 10 minus a, I will write 10 minus a. If it is 10 into a, I won't write 10 into a. It's 10a in terms of equation. In terms of equation. 10a in the sense it is 10 into a. That is understood, right? 10a in the sense it is 10 into a. 10a means it is 10 times a. 10 times a is 70. Okay? So the fourth one is the number b divided by 5. The number b divided by 5 is 6. Gives 6. Gives 6. The number b divided by 5 gives 6. The number b divided by 5 gives 6. Gives 6. Right? Number b divided by 5 gives 6. b by 5 is equal to 6. The equation. The number b divided by 5 is 6. Okay? So remaining question I will give it to you as a homework. We have 5th question, 6th question, 7th question, 8th question, 9th question. So these questions will be a homework for you. Okay? I will send a photocopy of that homework. Then you have to do that. Okay? So I will go for next main. So which is 5th main again. There. So it's time I will do it in the next class. So I will be sending that homework. You have to do it in your home. Okay? So that's for today's class. If you have any doubts, please call me. Thank you. We will meet in the next video.